Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal and today I'm going to review this 4-in-1 lip gloss from the brand Pretty Secret. And I've never tried anything from this brand. I've actually just seen this recently from Watsons and I'm pretty sure it's below 100 pesos. And it's very affordable. That is why I decided to review this for you guys. I'm the type of girl who loves like 4-in-1, 5-in-1, anything that's easy to carry around with you and that is travel friendly. So this is very travel friendly because you don't need to bring a lot of lip colors with you. So actually this is not going to be a first impression because I've already tried this a couple of times. It's super cute because it's just a tube of 4 lip glosses. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and do the lip swatches. So the first color that I'm going to swatch is this first color here. And first of all, let's talk about how cute the applicator is. Super cute and tiny. Can you see that? This is like the tiniest and shortest lip gloss applicator that I've ever seen. So first, this shade. The shades are super intense, as you can see. This actually looks brighter than what I usually go for. The formula is actually very high quality, and this is not the color that I would usually go for since I love nude lipsticks lately, but I mean this is still a very beautiful color and the formula is so good. It's not patchy at all, as you can see. It just gives you an even application in just one swipe, which is great for a very affordable 4-in-1 lip gloss. I mean, even the first swatch, I'm already super impressed. This is a very bright coral color, which is super nice for a summery makeup look. So yeah, that is the first color. Let's move on to the next one. Let's try the second shade now. These are crazy pigmented, guys. Something I would wear when I was 16. Wow, this is one of the most intense, affordable lip glosses that I've ever tried. Wow. This one looks super cute as well. Something I would absolutely wear for a summer makeup look as well. Okay, so the formula reminds me so much of the Beauty Glazed lip paints. So the Beauty Glazed lip paints look like this, and these are super pigmented lip glosses as well, and these are dupes for the OCC lip tars. So if you are looking for a very pigmented lip gloss, this is something that you should try. What's so great about this is that it doesn't look patchy, and the tendency with a lot of lip glosses, and I've tried so many brands, is that if it's a pigmented lip gloss, it has the tendency to be super patchy. But this one is not like that. I tried one from Revlon. I forgot like from what line. It's a pigmented Revlon lip gloss, and that one was patchy. So yeah, this one is not patchy at all. So let's now move on to the third color, which is this bright pink. This is the third shade, which is a very bright Barbie pink color, and this is the particular shade that I'm so scared to try if it's a pigmented lip gloss in other brands. One, I'm super impressed. I just don't know what they did to the formula, why it's not patchy, because based on my experience with this particular shade, if it's a pigmented lip gloss, it's just super patchy. And I really like the shade. I haven't worn pinks in a very long time, and I think I should go back to wearing pinks again. I don't know. I've just been so into the orangey brown shades. This is the pink one. It's like a liquid lipstick, but not the dry formula, not the liquid to matte formula. This one just feels super comfortable. It's moisturizing. So this is the pink one. Let's now move on to the last shade. Favorite shades. This one. Now this is one of my favorite shades. The orange one and this one is my favorite, but you really have to see this red because it's super bright and super opaque. And look at this mini container. I wish they came out with individual shades, like you can buy individual colors that comes in a very tiny packaging like this. That would be so cute. Look at that, one swipe. Look at that red. It's super effortless. It took me like less than 10 seconds to apply this. Like I said so many times in this video, it doesn't look patchy. Like the formula is very consistent. Like all the shades have the same formula. I just feel like the second color, which is the orange one, has the most lightweight formula out of all the shades because it has a thin formula which makes it glide on your lips a lot easier than the rest. But yeah, I love the formula of the second one more. And then the red one is fantastic as well. If you just want to achieve a red glossy lips, this is the most effortless way to do it and the formula is just so easy to use and work with. Now I'm just going to talk about the pros and cons. So one of the pros is that of course it comes in this very cute packaging, very easy to use and very compact, and you get 4 shades in one lip gloss tube like this, which is great. Plus the applicators are so cute. I feel like each of them has a good amount of product. Like I feel like I can use this for a long time because it looks small but it's super pigmented, so at the same time a little bit goes a long way. And I feel like it's gonna take a long time for you to go through and finish each of the colors here because like I said, a little bit goes a long way, even though it's a small container. Look at that. I love the red one. I love that it's super pigmented, it's not drying, it's very moisturizing, super comfortable on the lips. And the only con I would say is the smell. It smells like perfume. It smells good, but it smells strong. So yeah, so it affected the taste. So it kind of tastes like perfume, just a little bit. If you are sensitive when it comes to scents and taste, you might be slightly bothered by that, but it's not really that bad. It's good that it doesn't really taste like chemicals or anything like that. It just smells and tastes like perfume. I hope that more brands will come out with something like this. Like I said, I want something that is all-in-one, like 5-in-1, 4-in-1. I'm so into those things. That is why I really love this lip palette from IMAGIC, because I can customize and mix my own colors like this one. I always carry this with me whenever I travel because I can just create my own lip colors whenever I want. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys how I would use this in a different way. So you can apply this like heavily on your lips if you want it to look really opaque and intense. But I'm gonna show you guys a different way how I use this if I want it to look sheer and more natural. So what I do is, for example, I'm going to use the orange one. If I want to make this look more natural, I'm just going to put one dot here and one small dot on the top. So I'm going to blend this with my finger. And then I'm going to pat with my finger. See, it just looks like a tint, but it gives you that moisturizing effect because it's a gloss. But at the same time, it's just a sheer wash of color. Also, if you want to create the ombre lip, what I do is I take the red color and then I just apply the tiniest amount on the center of my lips. One here and one right there. And just blend. Only on the inner part. There you go. So that is the easiest ombre lip, and it's not drying. So sometimes it's hard to do this effect if you're using a lip tint, because sometimes lip tints tend to look really patchy since it doesn't always stick on your upper lip. So if you wanna create a nice ombre lip, it's so easy to do that with this product. So I really like it. So there you go. That is the color. I really recommend this lip gloss, especially it's super affordable. You can buy this from Watson. I'm not really sure where else you can buy it, maybe in SM department store, but I got mine from Watson, and the brand is Pretty Secret. And I know this brand also has a BB cream, I think, and they also have lip tints, so I still have to check out more products from this brand. But yeah, that is it for my review of the Pretty Secret 4-in-1 lip gloss. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and click the notification bell. I upload videos almost every day. I try my best to upload every day. If not, I upload 3 or 4 times a week. So if you guys don't want to miss out on my videos, please do subscribe, and I hope to see you guys again next time. Bye!